Hey, welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? Okay, well, this evening I have a 16 by 20 level 3 artist loft canvas, and this is the Nate's Art Lab portion of life. The challenge for this month was to do a cloud pour. Okay, that's fine. I'll do a cloud pour. But I'm not gonna do a round one. I'm not gonna do the regular run-of-the-mill cloud pour. I'm gonna do sort of a faux bloom blowout. Now, I am using Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Tricorn Black as my pillow, but after that, I'm not using Bloom Recipe. I'm just using my Gel Gloss medium, and we have Golden Turquoise Phthalo, Arteza Bordeaux Red, Golden Azo Gold, some TLP Cappuccino plus Harvest Gold, the Willie B Cloud Mix, and for cell activators I have Amsterdam's Turquoise Green, Amsterdam Bronze, and Amsterdam Titanium White. Don't know which ones of those I'll use, but I'm sure I'll use at least one of them. So let's just get down the canvas and get started. How about it? I've got this on my little Winter Strom spinner. I'm just gonna keep it right here to pour it, and then we will figure out. I got 2 bottles of paint there to hold it still. So let's get our pillow down. There's that loveliness. So first I'm going to put down some of the cloud, which I just mixed up earlier today. Turquoise Phthalo. Some of this lovely TLP Cappuccino and Harvest Gold mix. I think a little more cloud. I think this time I'm going to do it still. And some of the Azo Gold. Bordeaux Red. And just a little bit more of this turquoise. For our cell activator, bronze, Be nice if I could just leave it like that, wouldn't it? Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Maybe use a little too much paint. I've got paint everywhere over here. That's actually pretty good. I am gonna give it one more just for. There you go, right side up and everything, just for you to look at. I'm gonna clean this up and I will bring you in for a flyover. Okay, here are the wet results of my faux bloom cloud blowout. I love it. I really flippin' love it. I didn't know. I did really want to have some negative space, but yeah, that didn't happen. This is one of my favorite areas in the whole thing. Look at those colors coming through there, through that cloud. I just think that's so pretty. But I also love the more vivid parts. Look at that little cloud. I just love the way this turned out. I think it is just the coolest. I was trying to decide what to do, and I talked to a friend, and my friend said, won't you do like a bloom kind of thing? And I was like, I don't know how to make cloud work with bloom stuff. Oh, but wait, I could do a faux bloom. Look at those clouds, man, that's nuts. And he said, yeah, that's what I was thinking. And I was like, I'm a little slow, it's okay. But isn't that just the prettiest? Look at that area right over there, that on the right with the orange and red. And ooh, Lawsy Jesus. Y'all, I've made something kind of nice, I think. And I can see all the colors down there at the bottom is that cappuccino and harvest gold. There's the azo gold and the turquoise phthalo and the bordeaux. Oh, I love where that comes through. And that cloud. And there's even a little bit of black in there. Very little, but a little. So yeah, I love the way that the turquoise and the, I don't know what it was, I guess the white and the goldy color kind of made some green like right there. I just think that's so pretty. I just really like this, y'all. Looky there, I made something I like. Ain't that nice? Let's see about the sparkles. Yeah, they're gonna be everywhere. Ooh, ooh. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing in the interest of time, but look at that. Wow, so pretty. Just, ooh, veining. So pretty. Look at that. Holy moly, y'all. Woohoo. Yeah. Oh, man. Ha, ha, ha. I am thrilled with myself. Look at that in there. Wow. Anyway, yep, we got sparklies, we do. Oh, wow, look at that. I really wanted to find my copper, but I couldn't find it, so I did bronze, but I ain't complaining. Look at that, y'all. Come on. Let me get an amen for that. Woo, baby. I am tickled. I am thrilled beyond belief. I will see you when it's dry. Here are the dried results of my cloud bloom, faux bloom blowout for Nate's Art Lab. I think she turned out kind of cool. Got some really good effects that I am majorly in favor of, and nice color representation, nice everything. I'm just really fond of this one. I think it turned out very well. Look at that. Love it. Pretty. So anyway, if you haven't joined Nate's Art Lab, give it a thought. It's a really fun place. We enjoy ourselves quite a bit. The challenges are awesome, and they make you do things that you just really don't plan on doing, which is pretty nifty. So yeah, come along with us, have a good time. And hey, before you go, make sure that subscribe button is pushed. Give me a thumbs up if you like this painting or this video, and share with your friends if you can. It's a great way to promote our art and get it out of our little circles. And leave me a comment and I'll talk to you, because I like to talk to folks. So there you go. Have a great one, and I'll see you next time.